Have you seen the small gold sword being made? If you have not seen it, then in this video you will be told step by step. So continue with the video. Before you can build anything, you must have a diagram to build it. We have presented the smallest thing of it very beautifully. Before making the sword, we need to have pieces of gold, so that we can melt it into shape to make the sword. You don't have to make it out of gold. You can make it out of silver, copper, any other metal you have. To watch full video, visit our channel. You will find this video. You can also make and sell to someone as a gift.